and welcome. Of course, this is Pia, and today, once again, we have with us two amazing, beautiful ladies. And first, let me introduce you. We have with us Tarang Soni, who is the founder and president of ROAR, which is a Rajasthani organization of American residents. She's a total rock star, when it comes to blending culture, fun, celebrations, and that is what Tarang is all about. And she's not just about like traditions, but she's also, making her events like sparkle, definitely with a twist. And she's here for Valentine's Day. As you know, every year she does Valentine's celebrations. So she is here for that. She will definitely be talking about that. And joining her, we have here, that is Tina Goel, who is also Mrs. Rajasthan International 2024. And I would like to welcome both of you. How are you, ladies?
Thank you so much, Pia, and we are really delighted to be here again in the ITV Gold. We are doing fantastic. I hope you are all having a good time as well.
Wonderful, and it's always fun to have you here in our studios.
Yes.
And you bring in so much of joy and so much of positivity when you are here.
Oh, thank you so much. I really take it as a compliment.
Absolutely, absolutely. Tarang, जो इस साल का थीम है, यार इतना रोमांटिक थीम है, दिल तो पागल है, and दिल तो पागल है has been my favorite movie.
Yes.
So tell me कि how do you choose? Every year you have different themes going on, but this year जब मैंने theme देखा ना, I'm like, wow, this is like the best kind of romantic theme. So how do you choose all this?
Actually, I just want to relate because we had grown up in the 90s, and most of the time what you just get stuck into that kind of era, and the beautiful songs which we had and the storyline, it was very clean at that time when you just see, and the romance was also something you can just relate to it. So I just wanted to bring that to everybody that when you are doing romance, so it has to be very that sweet and that kind of pureness should be there, and everybody should just can relate to it also. So sometimes we just think about a theme, and then we just want to create the atmosphere according to the theme, and we want to really want people to also get related to it, because theme really get it really matters. And जो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती है ना, you go into your own era. There are few songs like दिल तो पागल है का song है, and भोली सी सूरत, and then अगर
I just love those. I can even imagine Shah Rukh Khan. And
yes,
it's amazing.
And Shah Rukh Khan is always a heartthrob of everybody.
Yes, he is. So, and also you have been throwing all these events and grand, lavish events for now 10 years.
Yes, it's been 10 years. Oh my God, time flies.
Wow, right.
10 years, wow.
Yes. So I just want to know that secret sauce कि कैसे inspire होते हो आप, and just अभी एक event खत्म नहीं हुआ जी, अभी next year दूसरा event इससे भी अच्छा बनेगा.
I try to, and it's a passion. It's always a passion which drives you there, and I really like to do it. I've been doing it, Priya, just हम लोग कितनी बार conversation we always had. Like from my childhood, I was like this only. From the school also, I was, I was always there in the cultural committees, and then I became the cultural committee head in my school. Then in college also, I was leading all those things, doing all these cultural activities. Apart from that, I was more into sports and all those stuffs as well. So I really want to get connected with people. I really want to showcase our culture also. I don't know, I have that in with me, and I really want that people should also understand the culture, plus they should have little bit of fun also. So I do both the things. This I'm doing it from last 10 years, and I really want to continue, so that people you won't imagine, Pia, people starts calling me. जैसे नया साल न्यू ईयर आने लगता है ना, न्यू ईयर से पहले ही लोग बोलने जाते, you are doing Valentine's or you're not doing Valentine's this year?
I was thinking the same. I mean, I am one of her audience that has been in every event that she organizes, and her strength, her passion, you would say, are organizing these fantastic, fabulous events. I mean, once you are there, you forget the world. You just forget what exists outside. I mean, it's great food and entertainment and performances and prizes and games. And I mean, she just takes care of every detail. I mean, it's absolutely astonishing.
Absolutely, and you know, I know that 2024 was your year of Mrs. Rajasthan International.
And she's the one who inspired me for that too. I was
Absolutely.
like, oh, it's done. I'm in my 40s now. She's like, no, Tina, go for it.
Age doesn't matter. Age doesn't matter, you know, when it comes
I
to
agree,
all
I
those
agree, I
things.
completely agree.
So
you
tell
know.
me, how has it been, you know, working with her? You know, you guys are working together.
It's been, you know, it's been an experience, I mean, unforgettable experience, I would truly say. I get so many people approaching that please come, you know, join us. And I always make sure that, you know, our organization is represented in the correct way here. And, you know, me and Tarang have, you know, come up with this multiple, you know, projects that we are going to give back to our society and our community. And one of them is like any like events we do, we always have a portion that, you know, goes back to the non-profits to help the one who's in need. So we make sure that every dollar counts, I mean, you know.
Absolutely.
And we have fun. We have fun doing that. I mean, you know, Valentine's Day, as you see, it's like we are so busy in our lives, right? You find no time for your partner. You are busy in your school and kids and work and traveling and, you know, for work.
Absolutely.
So this is the evening that you owe it to yourself. You owe it to your partner. Just come and enjoy, I would say, you know.
Absolutely. And you know, I see the flyer right here and it sounds like a blast, you know, dine, dance, DJ, photo booth, live performances, belly dancers. So I want you guys to give us a sneak peek of what's in, like, is there any kind of surprise also there?
There will definitely be a surprises there, and you know, as always, we will be having different like gourmet food. You also came last year, Pia. You might have seen something, you know, which was like, you know, it's not as usual what everybody is doing. We do a little different every year. We always come with a theme, and we want to create the atmosphere accordingly also, and we want to, you know, put all the props according to that. And last year it was Rang De Tu Mohe Gerua, and we had tried to make that aeroplane there, you know, and there was a boat also. And this year again it's Dil To Pagal Hai, and we are trying to create the whole atmosphere there, that romantic atmosphere. वो Madhuri Dixit and, you know, Shah Rukh Khan
Yes.
वो उड़ते हुए balloons, and
Yes.
you know, but I don't want to, you know, tell everything because I want to keep
It's a
something
secret.
surprise.
A surprise and a secret.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then there will be a photo booth, and then it's a premium drinks which is unlimited. So everybody wants to enjoy
I mean,
and
I have
stay
always
warm
seen
also.
whenever you have events,
Yes.
everything, like whether it comes to drinks, whether it comes to food, anything, it's all unlimited.
Yes, it's all unlimited.
There's going to be belly
Yes.
dancing.
Yes, there will be a belly dancing also, and there are a lot of performances as well. There will be live singing also, so people can just groove on the romantic songs and all those things, you know. So I've created the whole, you know, itinerary for the evening, and it's going to be amazing.
So Tina, I want to know, what is your role? What will you be doing in there?
I will be full-fledged biggest supporter of Tarang here, right here, you know. She's my friend. She's more than my friend to me, and you know, I am looking forward to this event. I mean, you know, we all of us who were the title winners are going to be there with our partners, and we all are going to have fun. So my main motto this year is to have fun there. Enjoy the party, you know, and then there's going to be a lot of competitions and prizes, dancing. So, you know, there's a lot in the box that we cannot reveal at this point, but, you know, it's a surprise.
Yes, yes. So now let's talk about the dress code. You know, as you say, dress code is men in black and for females in solid red or pink.
Yes, pink.
I want from you, you both are very creative people. Any creative ideas, how can your guests dress, especially men and, you know, husband, wife?
Yes, the thing is, like, as the theme is Dil To Pagal Hai, they can just see the movie. थोड़ा Netflix का भी फायदा होगा. And then you can dress according to what was there in the movie. Apart from that, you can wear anything, you know, something very glamorous, because this is your date night with your husband, with your partner, and or maybe with your friends also. You're coming with your family as well. So you want to look best on your Valentine's Day. I still remember when we when we were in the school and colleges, at the Valentine's Day, we used to always dress something red. कुछ भी करके जाते थे. So we really
But
wanted to keep.
over the years, it has gotten to even pink.
Pink.
Yes.
Yes, you
Yes,
can
pink
see
is a
us.
girl,
We are in
yes.
red and
Red
pink.
and
you
pink
know.
today.
Shocking pink, any shades of pink, any shades of red.
Red
It,
is
it
good.
can be any. You know, it can be Indian, American dresses, saris, anything red and pink. You know, just make it lively. That high spirit color.
But not a typical Indian dress. We would not. But like I would, if somebody wants to wear, that's fine. But we would really want everybody to come in a very glamorous,
But
you
आजकल
know,
तो
way.
even
or something.
ready-made saris make you look.
Huh, so that is
glamorous.
glamorous, no?
That
That's
is
what I'm
glamorous.
saying.
Yeah,
Yes.
show you a little belly
Yeah.
there. Why
Yes.
not?
Yeah.
So, you know, as we have been talking, 10 साल हो गए, itna, you know, Tarang has been planning parties. So tell me, इस साल you have been doing a lot of hard work and you are putting in so much effort so that everybody has a lot of fun in this Valentine's event. So tell me, कोई exciting part of the event for this year?
There are few games and there are some couple dances which we had planned actually for that day. So I cannot disclose it because people will come and just experience that, you know. So we had really created something new this year and it will be in the party for you guys, so don't miss it, you know. And we are really planning something very amazing this year. Like it was not done any of my events previously. So this is something new for this event because ye theme, as you were saying, this is a very you know appealing kind of like a theme.
You know, जितनी बार आप मुझे ये दिखाते हो ना, मुझे लगता है मैं माधुरी दीक्षित को साइड में करके मैं बैठ जाती हूँ.
So there is something which we had planned for that, and it's especially for the couples and especially for the people those who are coming with their partners. So don't miss it because I had really put in a lot of hard work into it and the thought process which is going behind that. I am really thinking from such a long time, like मुझे 10-15 दिन लग गए just to think about what new I can bring to the plate for everybody. So anyhow, Valentine's is always like, you know, हर बार same भी सब कोई हर कुछ same करता है. But what value you are getting back in going to an event and giving your money to that, you know, and putting your trust to someone, that really counts. And we always nail it, I should say, that because people are coming throughout from last 10 years and they look forward to.
And I know people come from tri-state area.
Yes.
For
Tri-state
your
area,
things.
Yes,
definitely.
tri-state
Because it's like Tarang ka hai, we have to go. We can't even miss it.
People come from Charlotte, people come from Virginia, you know that, and they are coming from last 10 years. It's not like that they, like people are only from Edison area, ya khali New Jersey से आ रहे हैं, but people fly, people travel, they come and they ask me कि कहीं पे मुझे रहने का करा दीजिए, even the hotels, I book for them. And they're doing throughout from last so many years.
Wonderful.
So they might be getting something, you know, worth it for driving for such too far, coming here and spending a time with us.
Wonderful. So tell me now, this is the important question I want to ask you guys. For people who really haven't come to your events, so where can they grab the tickets and how much are the tickets?
So they can get the tickets from Sulekha.com. They can buy the tickets from eventbrite.com also, and they can go to our website and there is a tiny URL for that. So that is tiny TINYURL.com/JE, that is JE is Zoom events, JEVAL Valentine's, JEVAL 25, or they can give me a call also, that is 732-306-1003, and the flyer is here, so every information is there on the flyer, so they can
And
always
you know,
just go
मैं
and buy.
flyer पे देख रही हूँ, you have like sponsorship stalls के लिए है.
हाँ.
तो कौन मतलब vendors का है? and
Vendors are there.
yes.
There are few vendors who will be coming there, so you can
So
do
what
your
kind of
shopping
vendors
also.
are you looking for?
So we have you know, clothing vendor, we have a jewelry vendor also, so and we have financial vendors. So we have different kind of vendors who will be there, and anybody who wants to promote their business, they are most welcome to join, and they can just give me a call at my number, that is 732-306-1003, And as you were mentioning, what is the price of the ticket? So Pia, everything includes, and you know that it's unlimited, like
Yes.
drinks and food and all the entertainment, everything is unlimited. It's no cash bar, nothing. You don't have to spend a penny after coming there. So it's 160 per couple, and for kids it's $40.
Yes,
So-
and then kids under 5
Are free, and
Yes.
kids under 5 are free.
So I'm sure it's going to be like a really nice event, and I every year like look forward to your events, and it's like, you know, कि साल में ये Valentine's party करेगी तो it's definitely going to be a grand one.
Yes.
So
100%.
before we wrap up, I just want both of you to tell me, describe your party, you on your own and you on your own, this Valentine's party in 3 words.
The best in the town.
वही 4 words होते हैं.
Come and enjoy.
Okay.
I'll say in Hindi, नाचेंगे खाएंगे थल्ली हो जाएंगे.
All right.
And there's a QR code here. I just wanted to mention, you know, for all the details. If you can scan this on the screen now, you'll just be linked to our website. To all the details are in the, you know, QR code also.
All right. Lastly, any message you want to give out to our ITV Gold viewers for your event?
Yes, definitely. If you will mention ITV Gold, I'm going to give some discount to the people who are coming through ITV Gold. And we are really looking forward to see you again on our annual, you know, the Valentine's Day party by Zoom Events. You can always give me a call at 732-306-1003. We are really looking forward, and there are many, many surprises. Every year we give, you know, a lot of prizes and lot of gifts to all the people, those who come here. So don't miss it. This is the best party in the town.
Please join us on February 14th for this Valentine's Day event. We are looking forward to seeing you, celebrating you and your partner. Please come and join us. It's going to be a fantastic event.
We are looking forward to see you on 14th of February, the Valentine's Day party. Dil to pagal hai at 7 p.m. Royal Albert Palace. You can always give me a call at 732-306-1003. We are going to have a night to remember.
Woohoo!
Wish you all the best, and thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much, Pia. It's always a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.